Stop wasting your money on full-priced tools because the massive Spring Black Friday event is officially live and the deals are actually insane. We have hit that perfect window where the big brands are fighting for your attention, which means prices are dropping to levels we usually only see once a year. Make sure you check those links in the description to see the most current availability on all the following deals. Number 29. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Hammer Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit. Was $609, now $409, 33% off. This is the heavy-hitting duo that most professionals rely on when they need maximum power for drilling into concrete or driving massive lag bolts. You are getting the top-tier fuel technology, which means brushless motors that run cooler and last way longer than the standard brushed versions. Number 28. Ryobi ONE+ 18-volt Airstrike Brad Nailer with free 2.0 amp-hour battery. Was $238, now $149, 37% off. If you're still lugging around a loud air compressor and a tangled hose just to put up some trim, this deal is going to change your life forever. This cordless nailer is part of the Airstrike line, meaning it's completely battery-powered and handles 18-gauge nails like a total champ. Number 27. Milwaukee M18 9-Tool Combo Kit. Was $1,099, now $649, 41% off. This is what we call an instant workshop because it packs 9 different tools into one single purchase for a price that is honestly hard to believe. You're getting everything from a circular saw and a reciprocating saw to a work light and multiple batteries to keep the whole crew running. Number 26. Milwaukee M18 5-Tool Combo Kit. Was $599, now $299, 50% off. For those who don't need 9 tools but still want to jump into the red ecosystem, this 5-tool kit is sitting at a perfect 50% discount. It covers all your basics like drilling, fastening, and cutting, making it the ideal starter pack for someone moving into their first home. Number 25. Ryobi ONE+ HP 6.0 amp-hour battery 2-pack. Was $278, now $139, 50% off. High-capacity batteries are the lifeblood of any cordless system, and Ryobi is currently letting these 6.0 amp-hour high-performance packs go for half price. These are the beefy batteries you want for high-draw tools like miter saws or leaf blowers, where standard slim packs just won't cut it. Number 24. DeWalt 20-volt 5-tool combo kit with 2 5.0 amp-hour batteries. Was $949, now $599, 37% off. DeWalt fans are getting a massive break here with a 5-tool kit that includes those highly coveted 5.0 amp-hour batteries that provide way more runtime than the basic kits. This bundle features the legendary 20-volt max system, including a powerful circular saw and a high-torque impact driver that can handle almost any job site task. Number 23. DeWalt 20-volt max drill and impact 2-tool combo kit. Was $239, now $139, 42% off. If you just need a reliable drill and impact driver for everyday tasks around the house, this is the best $139 you can spend right now. These tools are lightweight and ergonomic, so you won't feel like your arm is falling off after spending an afternoon building flat-pack furniture. Number 22. Milwaukee M18 High-Output 6.0 amp-hour battery 3-pack. Was $489, now $299, 39% off. These high-output batteries are a massive step up from the standard M18 packs, offering 50% more power and running significantly cooler during heavy use. This is the perfect upgrade for anyone using M18 chainsaws or table saws that demand a constant high-power draw. Number 21. DeWalt Atomic 2-Tool Combo Kit. Was $299, now $269, 10% off. The Atomic series is all about packing as much power as possible into the smallest footprint imaginable, which is perfect for working in tight cabinets or crawl spaces. While a 10% discount might seem modest compared to others, these compact tools are highly sought after for their balance and ease of use. Number 20. DeWalt Atomic 4-Tool Combo Kit was $449, now $399, 11% off. This kit expands on the Atomic line by adding a reciprocating saw and a work light, giving you a full suite of compact tools for various renovation projects. These tools are specifically designed to be shorter from front to back, allowing you to reach fasteners that standard-sized drills simply can't touch. Number 19. DeWalt 12-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw with stand was $858, now $599, 30% off. This is arguably the king of miter saws, and getting it bundled with the official stand for under $600 is a total steal. The double bevel design means you can flip the saw instead of the wood, which makes complex crown molding jobs a whole lot faster and more accurate. Number 18. DeWalt 20V Max 6.0 Ah Battery 2-Pack was $299, now $179, 40% off. If your DeWalt tools are starting to feel a bit sluggish, the 6.0 Ah packs will breathe completely new life into them with extended runtime and better performance. These batteries use premium cells that hold a charge longer and can withstand the vibration and drops that happen on a real job site. Number 17. DeWalt 20V Max half-inch impact wrench kit was $349, now $299, 14% off. For anyone who does their own automotive work, this half-inch impact wrench is the tool that makes stuck lug nuts a thing of the past. It delivers enough torque to break loose even the most rusted bolts on a truck frame without breaking a sweat. Number 16. Ryobi 1+ 12-Tool Combo Kit was $829, now $699, 16% off. This is the ultimate motherlode for Ryobi fans, featuring 12 different tools that cover everything from basic drilling to specialized cutting and lighting. It is one of the most comprehensive kits on the market, ensuring you'll almost never have to run back to the store for a missing tool in the middle of a DIY project. Number 15. DeWalt Atomic Oscillating Multi-Tool was $179, now $89, 50% off. An oscillating multi-tool is the Swiss Army knife of the tool world, and getting DeWalt's Atomic version for half price is an absolute no-brainer. Whether you're cutting drywall, removing grout, or sanding in tight corners, this tool does the jobs that no other tool can handle. Number 14. Milwaukee M12 Fuel Hammer Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit with 5.0 Ah battery was $369, now $249, 33% off. The M12 system is famous for being incredibly powerful, while remaining small enough to fit in a tool belt or large pocket. This fuel version gives you the highest performance possible in the 12-volt category, and the included 5.0 Ah battery provides surprising runtime for such a small package. Number 13. DeWalt 20V Max 4.0 Ah Battery 2-Pack was $219, now $129, 41% off. These 4.0 Ah batteries are the perfect middle ground packs because they provide plenty of power without making your tools feel top-heavy or unbalanced. They are compatible with the entire DeWalt 20V Max lineup, making them an essential addition to any yellow tool collection. Number 12. Makita 18V LXT Brushless Angle Grinder was $179, now $159, 11% off. Makita is known for having some of the smoothest motors in the industry, and this brushless angle grinder is no exception to that rule. It features automatic speed change technology that adjusts the torque and speed during the cut to ensure you don't stall out. Number 11. Makita 18V LXT Oscillating Multi-Tool was $169, now $149, 12% off. This Makita multi-tool is designed with a specialized vibration damping system that makes it much more comfortable to use for long periods than cheaper alternatives. It uses the popular Starlock mount for quick, tool-less blade changes, which is a massive time saver when you're in the middle of a complicated cut. Number 10. Rigid 18V Starter Kit with two 4.0 Ah batteries, charger, and bag was $277, now $99, 64% off. You get two high-quality 4.0 Ah batteries and a charger for under $100, which is a price we rarely see even during the holidays. If you're already on the Rigid platform or thinking about joining, this is the absolute best way to stock up on power for next to nothing. Number 9. DeWalt 12V, 20V, 60V Max 4-port battery charger was $319, now $229, 28% off. If you have a large collection of DeWalt tools, you know the frustration of having batteries scattered across multiple single chargers. This 4-port station charges up to 4 batteries simultaneously, meaning you can wake up to a full fleet of power every single morning. Number 8. Milwaukee M18 Dual Bay Rapid Charger with 2 6.0 Ah batteries was $439, now $299, 32% off. This bundle is a powerhouse because it combines 2 high-capacity batteries with a charger that can juice them up way faster than the standard versions. It's designed for the person who's using their tools hard all day and can't afford to wait 4 hours for a battery to finish charging. Number 7. Ryobi OnePlus 18V 6.0 Ah high-performance battery was $159, now $99, 38% off. If you don't need a 2-pack and just want one massive battery to run your mower or circular saw, this individual 6.0 Ah pack is a great buy. These high-performance cells deliver more current to the tool, which actually gives you a noticeable boost in power during heavy cuts. Number 6. Milwaukee M12 high-output 5 Ah battery 2-pack was $238, now $119, 50% off. These new high-output M12 batteries are a game-changer for the 12V system, providing much more grunt for tools like the M12 Stubby Impact or the M12 Bandsaw. Getting 2 of them for the price of 1 is an incredible deal that will immediately make your compact tools feel significantly more capable. Number 5. DeWalt 13-inch heavy-duty 2-speed bench planer was $859, now $689, 20% off. For the woodworkers out there, this DeWalt planer is the gold standard for getting rough-sawn lumber perfectly smooth and dimensionally accurate. The 2-speed gearbox allows you to switch between dimensioning and finishing cuts, ensuring you get the best possible surface quality on every board. Number 4. Husky 96-inch 9-drawer heavy-duty mobile workbench was $1448, now $1299, 10% off. If your garage is currently a disaster zone of tools and boxes, this massive 8-foot workbench is the ultimate solution to your organization problems. It features 9 heavy-duty drawers and a stainless steel top that can handle everything from engine parts to woodworking projects. Number 3. DeWalt 33-inch folding portable sawhorse workbench was $129, now $99, 23% off. These folding workbenches are incredibly handy because they set up in seconds and provide a rock-solid surface for cutting or assembly anywhere on the job site. They fold down flat for easy transport, meaning you can toss them in the back of a truck or hang them on a garage wall when you're done. Number 2. Ryobi OnePlus 8-tool combo kit was $529, now $369, 30% off. This 8-tool kit hits a sweet spot for price and performance, offering a wide range of tools for a very reasonable $369. It includes all the essentials like a drill, impact driver, circular saw, and even a vacuum to help clean up the mess when you're finished. Number 1. DeWalt 20V Max 9-tool combo kit was $999, now $649, 35% off. We're wrapping things up with this massive 9-tool DeWalt bundle that covers every major category of cordless power tools. From demolition with the reciprocating saw to precision work with the drill, this kit ensures you're never the person on the job site who doesn't have the right tool. Subscribe to Valid Consumer to catch more incredible tool deals just like these.